Hello there. I'm cold, so I'm in a blanket today. Plus, it's my birthday, so whatever. I get to do whatever I want. So I spent my birthday doing accounting things because what else do you do on your birthday but work? And I this morning was trying to estimate the amount of income tax that I was going to owe personally, and then which led to me trying to validate the balance of my savings account because in my savings account, I keep the amount that I owe in HST and the amount that I'm going to owe in income tax based on the current level of income that I have. So at any given time, I have those two numbers in my savings account, which means it's more difficult to validate that number. I can't just run my sales tax report in QuickBooks and like check it against that number. So what I've been doing is running the sales tax report, which tells me how much in HST I should have in that account, and then running an income statement and just doing a really quick calculation on it. And in Ontario, the corporate tax rate for small businesses is about 12%. So what I realized today is that I can just use my HST number and double it because HST is 13% here. I was so happy about that because the HST is taking into account my revenue and my expenses, and it's 13% of the difference between the two of them ish, because it's like it's a ballpark number. It's not an exact figure because I also have expenses that I don't pay HST on, so theoretically I'm going to pay less in tax than what I'm saving, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. This is just a really ballpark number so that I can keep it in my sales or my savings account. I'm so excited about this. I can now just double my HST number and I don't have to try and work out what my income tax is going to be based on my P&L statement or my income statement. So this works in other provinces too. Like in Alberta, I think the corporate tax rate is more like 10%. So in Alberta, your GST is 5%. So if you have 3 times your GST number in your savings account, then you should be good for income tax. So life hack, tax hack. Yay. Let me know your thoughts on that. Is that useful? Maybe just useful for me. But I'm super excited about it. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, if you want more tips like this one and better tips than this one, sign up for my free newsletter. I left a link in the description. Yeah, every week I send them out, and hopefully they're enjoyable. They're enjoyable. Like I said, I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oops.